Don't touch that. I'm gonna move this box out of the way quick. Leave it, I'm gonna get a cup of tea.